How to fix low speaker volume on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you several easy ways to fix low speaker volume on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Scroll to the bottom and tap Call Audio Routing. Make sure it's set to automatic, so audio isn't being routed to another device, like Bluetooth headphones or a speaker. Now, go back and tap Hearing Devices. If you don't use a hearing aid, make sure hearing aid compatibility is turned off. Next, go back to Main Settings page. Then tap Sounds and Haptics. Select Headphone Safety and check if Reduce Loud Audio is turned on. If it is, you can turn it off or increase the sound limit to allow louder audio when using supported devices. Also, make sure your iPhone's volume is turned all the way up. Press the Volume Up button or open Control Center and drag the volume slider to the maximum level. If the sound is still low, inspect the speaker openings. Dust, lint, or dirt can block both the bottom speakers and the earpiece speaker. Carefully clean them using a soft brush or another non-metallic cleaning tool. Finally, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. That's it. These steps can help improve low speaker volume and fix call audio issues on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides.